In this video, I want to talk about how you can delete your card from Temu. Now to do this, you want to log into your account. This works on the PC as well as on the app. Then you want to hover your name, go to your profile, and this should take you to your profile. Then on the left hand side, if you're on the PC, you should see your payment methods. If you're on the phone, you just want to click on your profile and it will pop up under your settings. Under your payment methods, you should be able to see your cards, and you will have the option to edit your card and to remove it. So as you can see, I don't have any saved in here, but if you have a saved one, you can remove it from in there. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you cannot remove it from in here for some reason, you can go to checkout, just add some random things, go checkout, and when you're at the payment, when you're about to pay for it, you can remove a card and replace it with a new one. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.